Good morning, guys. It is September 1st. Update on the house. We are still at 16K because we got the supplies. We have not actually purchased any more supplies. We are trying to use it. It's an early Monday morning. I'm going to give y'all a quick walkthrough of everything that we got going on and what we're going to be doing these up and coming videos. So if you want to see a certain video, you know to stay tuned and to watch. So let me turn this camera around. As you see, the guys are on break time right now because it's the afternoon, even though I said early morning. But let's get into it. So to start, the sliding door. As you see, the door's been framed, not in yet, the sliding door. And we got steps, guys, we got steps. My bump out. The bump out is now complete. When you say, what you mean complete? Well, let me explain it to you. Complete as far as I got the step. Everything has been smoothed and sanded out. We're getting ready to do the skin coat. That's that white layering. And then we're going to go into installing the windows. Now, part of this 16K, you see all of this right here? This is installation, which I actually should have done when we first put the roof on, but I didn't know. Learning curve. They didn't think that I wanted to insulate the roof, so this is the installation to the roof and bow. There we go. So they're putting it up actually up here. This is going to help keep the house warm. Well, we ain't got to worry about the cold, but all that heat and stuff. This is going to keep that heat from the zinc from coming down. This is what's going on here. Now, let me take you back this way. Let me use the steps for the first time. What we also did is, guys, you don't know, but we actually put some more ankle bar in here, and that's going to be when the solar power videos or panels come. We put more ankle bar to make it stronger. Y'all already seen the video on the door jams, so they actually took everything away. My doors are coming next week. So we're talking about September 8th. I should have doors if anybody wants to see that installation. Also, the window installation is going down. But let me show y'all. Remember my son was talking about the foyer or the hallway? They actually came up, Jeffrey came up with a design. This is what he came up with. I kind of like it. They're going to fix all this up. This is the last inside the house they have to do before skin coat and everything. And then we go into primer. And from primer, we are actually going to be going into painting the rooms. So, skin coat, for anybody that wants to know, this is what the skin coat looks like, right? This is before the primer. But as you see, I got windows, guys, but that video is coming. Same thing. I know it's a little dark. Bathroom. Windows. In here, windows. Also, they are working on my floating ceiling. That's what this metal bar going around. But they stopped so the guys could do the welding and actually put in the installator. So that's what's going on. After their break, they're going to be back on that. But wait, there's more, guys. Yes, there's more. Let's go on inside to the doggone master bedroom. Again, I got my sliding doors ready. I got everything going on here, right? There's still more. We got more. Hold on. As I said, guys, there is more. So, this is the part that y'all don't see. This is all the behind the scenes that I normally cut out. All the guys working. You see the blue windows. They are in. I never get to show you guys the back of the house, but today y'all gonna see the back of the house. So check this out. They built me a nice little stump, or I don't know, pillar, whatever you want to call it, to actually put a water tank here, because back here, guys, I'm gonna build another bathroom with a shower, and this is all it's gonna be rain water. Now when I build this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build me a bathroom, like I said, and shower, and the tank is gonna be able to give free water to the community, because everybody knows in the Philippines we get droughts. And like if you remember my Black Man Take a Bath, where I was taking a bath in the well. For those of y'all who seen I am retired, I'm sorry. For those, if they don't have no water, they can come over to my house. They don't have to come in the house. This would be basically a public domain. They can come back here, use the bathroom, take a shower, do whatever they have to do, because they're gonna have a big bucket. I think we're gonna talk about something like 100 gallons of water of free rainwater. And I know what you're saying. You're like, no, man, why don't you keep that free rainwater for yourself? Because it's going to be a drought. I'm not going to keep it for myself, because come with me, guys. Like I said, there's more. So now we're on the back side of the house. We're back at the bump out, the infamous bump out. And we're coming back over here. And over here, guys, I am building a well. So I'm getting a well installed. And with this well, this is going to make me self-sufficient, live off the grid like I want to do. And I'm going to have actually a self-sustaining well where I will have my own water that, you know, it's solar power driven. But let's take a look at that well, guys. Let's see what we got. Look how deep that is. So as of right now, from my understanding, these guys are about 10 feet in. This pole is a 20-foot pole that they're working with to get me some water. And with that, this is their break time. They said that when they hit about 40 feet, they should be able to start hitting water. But the goal is 100 to 120 feet. And that's how deep we're going to go. And then I'm going to get me a pump to start siphoning me water. Get me a tower, another tank, and bow. It goes right into the bathroom. But guys, like I said, there is more. We're not finished with all of this stuff. Guys are back working again. They're working on the koi pond, the fish pond, the moat, whatever I want to call it. They are working this out. So anybody interested in that video, there's 2 more parts coming. But where we're going is Bella's farming that she's been making videos on, and she's going to release soon. So here we go. I call it Jurassic Park land. We're going inside, and we're going to look at my trusty fellas, well, fella and girls. Look at that. I got one right there. So we have a total of 1 rooster and 13 hens, or 2 hens and 11 chicks. And they're all over there doing their thing. They got their food, their water. Oh, I gotta get some more water. And they're living a life right now, because I'm keeping them with an unlimited supply of water. Let's go over their head where I don't spook them too much. Let's check it out. Look at that. So this is what it's all about. So we got the farm going on. That's why we're going to change this to Nomad's Farm, right? We got the farm going on. I got another 16 chickens that are on their way. They're en route. They're not here yet. So anybody that's into farm life, I got that for you. Let's go on and get up out of here. But as I say, guys, there is more. We're not finished. I got more for you. So this is the farm. You got the house. You got Miss Bella hanging out. And Miss Bella, what do you always say?
Just don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you. So, but there's more, guys. There's more to Miss Bella subscribe, right? Because we got a lot of new people that's watching this. Of course, we got our faithful old subscribers that I do appreciate you guys. Let's get into the farming, because this is farm life too. This is what I do. This is why they also call me B-Man Wilson. So there you go. I got my trusty girl and my boy Tom Tom right here. They coming to greet me, guys. Look at that. They're here for the camera, right? So we got 2 turkeys. The goal is, they've been mating off camera already. So the goal is for me to make more doggone turkeys. I would like to be running about a 10 to 15 turkey farm. That's my goal. And then I'll sell some of the eggs, sell some of the turkeys. But I want to keep 15 on hand at all times. There you go. Oh, I got to get you guys some water. I'll do that in a brief moment. Now we're going to come over here, guys. I got 6. Count them out. There's more. I got 6. You see them? 2 roosters and 4 hens. I got 6. Let me come on this side. I don't want to spook them out. Let me come on this side. Bring that camera in so you can see them. Look at that. Can we get up in there? See, I don't want to spook my guys out, but that's them. So I got another 6. And these 6 that you see in this cage right here, these are my junior hens, right? And roosters. So I have the babies with the mom and the rooster. Then I got some junior hens that's not ready to lay yet, but they're getting there with 2 roosters that I'm going to personally train one of the roosters myself. Y'all see that? I have the doggone turkey, started out with 2, and before you know it, there's going to be more. I also got the goat. The goat is on the other side. They're eating. Y'all will see that at a later time. But this is it, guys. Everything is coming alive, as I say. Everything is coming together as the Nomad vision. So again, for you guys that's into building, I got all kind of building projects coming up. I got window installation. I got doggone floating roof going on. I got the well being built. I got the pond going on for you guys, right? We're gonna be doing painting soon. We're gonna be doing floors. We got everything that's going on here, guys. And then on the other side, Miss Bella, she got the farm life going for you guys. So she's gonna be making eggs and showing y'all some special Filipino omelets, stuff like that. What else do you like to cook, Miss Bella?
A lot.
A lot. Come on, give them 3 Filipino foods that's your specialty.
Pancit, adobo, and paksiw.
All right, now give them 3 foods that we can cook with these doggone chickens, goats, and turkeys.
Calderetas and adobo, chicken adobo, and lechon or roasted turkey.
Roasted turkey, lechon. So you're looking forward to start getting into cooking that and doing your own farm. All right, guys.
And also the pig one.
Oh, yeah, okay. So yeah, so we're about to get pigs later on. So we're gonna have a pig video for you guys, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Brooklyn Nomad Travels. Travel with me.
And always hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye.